If you have an old pair of scissors that no longer cut anything, don't throw them away or pay to have them sharpened. Just apply a little toothpaste and they'll be as good as new. Over time, it's common for scissors to lose their sharpness. Many people use cups or glass bottles to sharpen them, but these methods are outdated and can actually make the scissors' sharpness worse. In this video, I'll show you a practical and useful way to sharpen any scissors using only toothpaste. That's right. See how these scissors are completely blunt. I'm using a folded plastic bag, and as you can see, they don't cut anything. They just chew through the bag. Let's go step by step. Apply toothpaste all over the blade of the scissors, on both sides. Spread the paste well with your fingers. Then take a porcelain mug like this one and put a spoonful of salt on the rim of the mug. The secret is in the salt, and I'll explain why. Run the scissors a few times over the rim of the mug, moving from top to bottom or bottom to top. Turn the scissors over and do the same on the other side. You don't need to do it many times. A few repetitions will be enough. I used to have problems with these types of scissors, and over time, they would lose their sharpness. Since they were simple scissors, it wasn't worth paying to have them sharpened. It was cheaper to buy new ones. But after I learned this incredible technique, I was able to restore the scissors and save a lot of money. Salt is used because it has astringent properties. When it rubs against the blade, it helps to sharpen the edge. This is a very effective way to sharpen any type of blade you have at home. After the process, there may be a stain on the bottom of your mug, but don't worry. Just run your finger over it, and it will come off completely. Now, take the bag again and test your scissors. See how they cut perfectly after the treatment. If you have dull scissors at home, don't throw them away. Try this technique and save your money. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. A hug, and see you in the next video. Bye.